Looking for a new home close to Calgary with lake access, family-friendly amenities, and wide open green spaces? Wondering if there is a community that offers all of that without sacrificing convenience or modern design? Then Dawson's Landing right here in Chestermere might just be what you're looking for. In this episode, I'm taking you on a tour of this exciting new community just east of Calgary. I'll walk you through what life in Dawson's Landing looks like and why this neighborhood has become a top choice for families, first-time buyers, and anyone who wants more room to breathe without giving up quick access to the city. I'll be touring 3 show homes from Broadview Homes, New Vista, and Sterling Homes so you can see what kind of homes are available right now. We'll cover everything from location, lifestyle, and lot sizes to home features, builders, and future plans for the area. And if you're looking for the latest home inventory, I'll show you how to get personalized listings delivered straight to your inbox so you don't miss your perfect home. And let's get started right now. If you're new here, this channel is all about living your best life in Alberta's beautiful mountain towns. So, if you're into exploring stunning communities and finding the best places to live and invest, from Canmore and Banff to Cochrane and Calgary and beyond, then be sure to subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications for more amazing content. My name is Peter Mejia, and I'm your go-to realtor for Alberta mountain living. And we get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you're moving in a couple of days, weeks, or months, feel free to reach out. All of our contact information is in the description. Now, let's check out Dawson's Landing. Dawson's Landing is a master planned community by Qualico Communities. Located in Chestermere, a growing city just 20 minutes east of downtown Calgary. Chestermere has exploded in popularity over the last decade thanks to its laid-back, family-first vibe and its lake lifestyle. Yes, that's right, Chestermere has a full recreational lake where locals go paddleboarding, boating, swimming, and relaxing in the beach in the summer. You get that lake town atmosphere, but without the price tag of Canmore or the seasonal crowds of places like Sylvan Lake. Dawson's Landing is perfectly situated on the west side of Chestermere, close to the lake and a quick drive to Calgary. That makes it an ideal option for commuters or anyone who wants more house for their money without sacrificing access to city life. The community itself is designed to be walkable, green, and full of natural beauty. There is a future eco park in the works with wetlands, stormwater management, and walking paths that will become a central hub for residents. In fact, 30% of the community is dedicated to open green space. There's also a planned elementary school site, playgrounds, and over 22 kilometers of pathways once the community is fully built out. A new recreation center is coming to the east side of Chestermere as well, so families here can expect even more local amenities in the coming years. There is already great schools nearby, including Rainbow Creek Elementary School and Chestermere Lake Middle School, plus shops, grocery stores, and services just a short drive away. And now, let's dive into the homes. In Dawson's Landing, you'll find a mix of housing types, from front drive homes to lane homes, duplexes, and bungalows. And you'll find some big name Calgary builders here, like Broadview Homes, New Vista Homes, and Sterling Homes. And today, I'll be showing you all 3 of them. And let's start with Broadview Homes. Today, let's visit their Acacia model, a front drive 2-story home with 2,280 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. It features 4 bedrooms upstairs, including both a primary and a secondary primary bedroom with walk-in closets in every bedroom. On the main level, there is a flex room that includes a closet, which means it could also be used as a 5th bedroom. This model offers a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, a large island, and options like a spice kitchen, upgraded appliances, or a basement suite. The layout is bright and open, and the finishes can be personalized to suit your style and budget. One of the best parts about this model is their side entrance for a future basement suite. Now let's check it out right now. Next up, we have New Vista Homes and their Crestview 2 model. A beautifully designed front drive home offering 2,544 square feet of living space. This layout includes 4 large bedrooms upstairs and 2.5 bathrooms, plus a spacious central bonus room and upper floor laundry. The kitchen is a standout with quartz countertops, 2-stone cabinetry, a large island, and a walk-through pantry that connects to a mudroom for extra convenience. The main floor includes a front-facing flex room perfect for a home office, and the living and dining rooms are open and bright with big windows that let in lots of lights. The ensuite has a freestanding tub, tiled shower, and dual sinks, perfect for a relaxing evening after a busy day. Let's check it out. last but not least, we're stopping at Sterling Homes to tour their Alexander model. This is a family-friendly design offering 2,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a triple car garage. On the main floor, you'll find a guest bedroom or office space, a full bathroom, a walk-through pantry, and an open concept kitchen with quartz countertops and a central island. The living room features an electric fireplace, and there's a built-in bench near the front door for extra convenience. Upstairs, there's a spacious bonus room, 3 more bedrooms, and a beautiful primary suite with a walk-in closet and luxurious ensuite washroom that includes a double vanity, separate tub, and tiled shower. All 3 builders, Broadview, New Vista, and Sterling, offer quick possession homes and options to build from scratch. So, whether you're looking for a move-in ready home or want to customize every detail, you'll find something here that fits your lifestyle and budget. And the best part, this community is still growing. And that means more amenities, more parks, and more opportunities to buy in before prices rise. If you're serious about buying in Dawson's Landing, the best thing you can do is reach out to me. I'll get you set up on our property listing portal so you receive tailored listings that match what you're looking for right when they hit the market. Just let me know how many bedrooms you need, your price range, and any extras like a basement suite or home office, and I'll take care of the rest. Now it's time to mention something important. While it might seem tempting to swing by the show home and buy directly from the developer, it's good to know how the process really works. Stopping in to chat with the builder sales team is totally fine. They're nice and helpful. But when you're ready to make an offer, having me in your corner can really make a difference. Buying new construction isn't just about picking a floor plan. It's about getting the best deal, understanding the details, and making sure you're making a smart investment. And that's where I come in. As your realtor, I represent you. And that means I'll help you negotiate better terms, identify incentives or promotions you might not know about, and walk you through the contract so there are no surprises. I'll also help you compare models, lot locations, and resale potential so you can make a smart long-term decision. And the best part, my services are free. The builder covers my commission, so you get expert guidance at no extra cost while still enjoying the perks and prices from the developer. Ready to start your home buying journey in Dawson's Landing or anywhere in Calgary, Cochrane, or the Bow Valley? Just give me a call, shoot me a text, or book a Zoom chat, and we'll talk about your goals, what kind of home fits your lifestyle, and I'll help you find the right place to call home. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Dawson's Landing. If you have any questions about the builders, home styles, or life in Chestermere, feel free to reach out to me anytime. My contact info is in the description. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future episodes. Drop a comment if there is a community you'd like me to feature next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep living that mountain life.